ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ ቻናላችን ተከታታዮች? ዛሬም በዩኒት 9 ፓርት 5 ተገናኝተናል። the congress of Vienna የሚለውን እናያለን። ሰብስክራይብ ሼር ላይክ ማድረግ እንዳረሱ ቪዲዮ the congress of Vienna የሚለውን እናያለን። Vienna by the way the capital city of Austria ነች. began in September 1814 5 months after Napoleon 1884 የመጀመሪያ ቪና ኮንግረስ የተደረገበት ነው። After Napoleon's first abdication and completed his final act in June 1850 1815 ደግሞ ሰከንድ ቪና ኮንግረስ ነው። እና ደግሞ ናፖሊዮን ቦናፓርቴ ወተርሎ ላይ የተሸነፈበት ዘመን ማለት ነው። So campaign Napoleon's final defeat is 1850 is the final defeat of Napoleon the Great. The settlement was the most comprehensive treaty that Europe had ever seen. በጣም ትልቁ በሚባለው ትሪቲ መካከል ቪና ኮንግረስ ነው ማለት ነው። What the objective of the Vienna Congress ከተባለ provide long-term peace plan for Europe by settling critical issues arising from French Revolutionary War and the Napoleonic Wars. በቃ ዋናው ዓላማ ምንድነው? ይሄ ፍሬንች ሪቮሉሽንን ለማስቆም እና ናፖሊዮንም ለማስቆም ማለት ነው። ባላንስ ኦፍ ፓወር አውሮፓ ላይ ባላንስ ኦፍ ፓወር እንዳይኖር ለማድረግ ነው ዓላማው። ቬሪ ስቴት ኢን ዩሮፕ ዴሌጌሽን ቪና the four powers አራቱ ፓወሮች የሚባሉት ቪና ላይ ግንባር ቀደም የሆኑ ሀገራቶች አሉ። ለምሳሌ ኦስትሪያ፣ ፕሩሺያ፣ ራሽያ እና ግሬት ጀርመኒ። ፕሩሺያ የተባለው ጀርመን ነች፣ ያውኗ ጀርመን ማለት ነው። በዛ ሰዓት ጀርመን ራሷን ዲስዩናይትድ ስለነበረች ፕሩሺያ ነበር የምትባለው። that were chiefly instrumental in the overthrow of Napoleon had concluded a special alliance among themselves with the treaty of ቻሚዮንት የመጀመሪያው ላይ ቻሚዮንት በሚባል ቦታ ላይ አሊያንስ አረጉ ወይ ደግሞ ሚቲንግ ስብሰባ አረጉ ማለት ነው። የመጀመሪያው 1814 months before Napoleon's first abdication. The subsequent peace treaties with French signed on 30 May not only by the four but also by Sweden, Portugal ራሱ ታግዘው ነው ቪና ኮንግረስን ተደግፍ ነው። Spain stipulated that all former belligerents should send ፔሪፋንዳትሪስ to Congress in Vienna. የተለያዩ ዴሊጌት እንዲልኩ ነበረ አውሮፓዎች ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም ሞናርካል ሲስተም ነው የሚፈልጉት እንጂ ናፖሊዮን ቦናፓርቴን ስርዓቱን እንዲተው ለማድረግ ማለት ነው። So all of Europe sent its most important statesmen or delegates ልኩ ነበር ራሳቸውን statesmen ማለት ነው። The delegates began to arrive in Vienna. Vienna is the capital of Austria toward the end of September 1814. Klamen, principal minister of Austria, represented his emperor Francis II ነበረ የኦስትሪያው መሪ። ዛር አሌክሳንደር the first of Russia, ዛር አሌክሳንደር የራሽያ ዳይሬክት is diplomacy, king Frederick William III of Prussia and Karl Prince von Hardenberg at his principal minister. Great Britain was represented by foreign minister Viscount Castlereagh. However, when Castlereagh had to return to his parliamentary duties, the Duke of Wellington replaced him. Duke of Wellington የተቃውማትን ሎርድ ክላሴንተሪ was principal representative after the Duke's departure. Okay, the restored Louis 18 of French Saint Charles Marquis de Talleyrand ናፖሊዮን ቦናፓርቴ ከወደቀ በኋላ የአውሮፓዎች ወደ ፕሩሺያ፣ ራሽያ፣ ብሪቴን የምንላቸው ሀገራቶች ሉዊስ 18ኛ ነው ወደ ስልጣን የመለሱት ማለት ነው። that means restoration of the monarchical system ማለት ነው። ስፔን እና ፖርቹጋል ስዊድን had only one moderate ability to represent them. Many of the rulers of the minor state of Europe put in an appearance when them came host of countries, secretaries and the ladies to enjoy magnificent social life of the Austrian court. Assisting Metternich as host, Frederick Gentes played a vital role for the management of protocol and the secretarial organization of the Congress ማለት ነው። social side of Congress was in fact one of the case for long and unexpected delay, producing result for monitoring at least sometimes subordinated business to pleasure. The major point of friction occurred over disposition of Poland and Saxony, the conflicting claim of Sweden, Denmark, Russia, adjustment of borders in German state. In general, Russia and Prussia were opposed by Austria, French, and England, which at one point went so far as conclude secretary treaty of defensive alliance. The major final agreement and decision of Congress were as follows. እና ይሄን ከተባለ በኋላ ቪየና ኮንግረስ ላይ ምንድነው ስምምነት የተደረገው የሚባለው ነገር አለ። On return for acquiring Poland, Alexander gave back Galicia to Austria and gave Sronhad region around to Prussia. Krakow was a made free town. The first of Duchy of Warsaw was incorporated as a separate kingdom under Russian imperial sovereignty. Prussia got 2/5 of Saxony and was comprehended by extensive addition in Westphalia on the both left bank of Rhine River. ማለት ባውንደሪ ዲስ ኦርጋናይዜሽን ነው የተደረገው እዚህ ጋር። ይሄ ከቪየና ኮንግረስ ላይ የተደረገው ፍሬንች ሪቮሉሽን በዛ ሰዓት ብዙ አውሮፓ ነገራቶች ስለተቆጣጠሩ የብዙ አውሮፓዎች ደግሞ ወይ አንሰዋል በሳይዛቸው ወይ ደግሞ ላርጀር ነው ወይ ስሞለር ኢን ሳይዝ ነው እና እዛን እየተከፋፈሉ ነው ማለት ነው። ይሄንን እንትና ለእንትና ይሄን ለእንትና ፈረንሳይ ተሰልፈን ደግሞ ይከፋፈላሉ ማለት ነው። ቲዮስ ካልትሪክ who instead on Prussia acceptance of latter territory with which it had suggested the king of Saxony should be compensated. Okay, Rhine region against French, new kingdom of Netherlands which composed both former United Province of Belgium. Austria was completed by Lombardy and Venetia. Austria ደግሞ የጣሊያንን ነው የወሰደችው ኖርዘርን ፕሮቪንስ ኦፍ ጣሊያን ኢታሊ ሎምባርዲ እና ቬኔሺያ። ያው ኢታሊያን ዩኒፊኬሽን ላይ ለኢታሊያን ዩኒፊኬሽን ራሱ እንቅፋት ከሆኑ ነገሮች ቻሌንጅ የሆኑ ነገሮች መካከል አንዱ ኦስትሪያ ነች። ስለዚህ በኋላ ላይ the battle of ሶዳዋ ላይ ታሸንፋትና ጣሊ ከዛን ሎምባርዲ እና ቬኔሺያን ትወስዳታለች። back most of trial in Bavaria, Württemberg, Sweden, whole of did well lose confederation was drawn up for Germany transfer Madrid, Denmark lost Norway, Sweden but Luxembourg. Okay, Caesar was given new constitution. In Italy, Piedmont absorbed Jonia, Tuscany and Modena went to Austria Archduke. አሁንም ቱስካኒና ሞዴና ተሰጣት ለኦስትሪያ። and Dutch of Parma, Pisano was given to Maria Luce, consort of deposed Napoleon. እነዚህ ኢጣሊያን ግዛቶች ናቸው። the papal state were restored to Pope. Napoli went to Sicilian Bourbons. Valuable articles were agreed on the free navigation of international rivers and diplomatic presence. Catalans standing effort to abolish slave trade were rewarded only by Pius Declaration. The final act of Congress of Vienna composed all the agreement in the one great instrument. It was signed June 1815 signed by the 8 countries except Spain, which refused as a protest against Italian settlement እስከ ስፔን በስተቀር ማለት ነው። all the other powers subsequently succeeded to it. ሁሉም የአውሮፓ ሀገራቶች የሚባሉ ነገር ቪየና ኮንግረስ ላይ ተገናኝተዋል ማለት ነው። political boundary laid down by Congress of Vienna lasted except for 1-2 changes for more than 40 years. The statesmen had successfully worked out of principle of balance of power. ማለት ምኞታቸው እነዛ ባላንስ ኦፍ ፓወር አውሮፓ ላይ እንዲኖር አይፈልጉም። ናፖሊዮን ደግሞ ምንድነው አውሮፓን ግማሹን ሁሉንም አውሮፓ እንደ ሲንግል ስቴት አድርጎ መግዛት ይፈልጋል። ካፒታሉን ፈረንሳይ ላይ አድርጎ ማለት ነው። ይሄንን ማስቆም ነው የፈለጉት የነሱ አላማቸው። However, the idea of nationality had been almost entirely ignored, necessarily to be so because it was not yet ready for expression. Territory had been bartered about without much reference of which their independence, until even greater settlement took place at Versailles until placed at Versailles after World War First. ቨርሳይልስ የምትባለው ፈረንሳይ ግዛት ነች እንጂ it was customary for historians to condemn the settlement of Vienna. It was later realized how difficult their task was, as the fact that secured to give international relations any organ by which their work could be adapted to the new force of 19th century. It was ultimately dominated to distraction. ስለዚህ ቪየና ኮንግረስ ካረጉ በኋላ ባትል ኦፍ ዋተርሎ ነው ይሉትና ናፖሊዮን ቦናፓርቴ ተሸንፏል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ናፖሊዮን ካሸነፈ በኋላ ሊዮ 18ኛ ወደ ስልጣን አውጥተው ፈረንሳይን ግዛቶቿን የተለያዩ የአውሮፓ ሀገራቶች ግዛቶቿንም መቆጣጠር ችሏል ማለት ነው። ሶ ዚስ ኢዝ ኦል አባውት ዩኒት 9 ግሬድ 9 ሂስትሪ። ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር፣ ላይክ ቪዲዮ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። አመሰግናለሁ።